Okay, in my last video I showed you how to create a clickable banner ad, and I want to show you something really cool today that you can use on any WordPress site that you have. It doesn't have to be on an Empower Network site. It can be used on any WordPress site, to date anyway. They might change that later on. This is Clint Mackey with fearlessteamleader.com. I just recently figured out how to do this myself, so I want to show you. It's pretty easy to do this, to put a widget, an advertising banner on the right hand side of your Empower Network blog or any other blog that you have. The Empower Network blogs are better now because they're easier to customize. So you can change it around and make it look different. If let's see here, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you, see if I can do this, show you what my site looks like now, just so you understand how different Empower Network sites look now. They're trying to fix this banner issue that we have right now, but it doesn't look anything like they used to. You know, picture of Dave Wood in the corner with his shirt off and all that goofy stuff. Everybody is customizing and branding themselves on their own blog. They're looking cool. A lot of people have some really cool stuff, and this does show up typically. That's the banner ad that brings you straight to my capture page. Today, some reason my internet connection's messing up on me. I'm going to show you how to put another one in there though. So if you wanted to add another one right on the right hand side here, you could do that. I'm going to show you how to use this particular one over here. So let's do that real quick. Let's go back to where I was. And so you've got the HTML code, the text code right there that we created last time we talked. And I'm just going to have you copy that. Copy that right there. And let's go to Appearance. We're going to go to Widgets. So go to Widgets. I'm going to open that in a new window, as a matter of fact. And over here, that's where these are. These are where these banner ads start to stack up, and you can put anything there that you want. You can put videos, YouTube videos, any type of HTML code that you can obtain, you can put there. Testimony videos, I'm going to start stacking those in there, whatever you want. So for this example, it's going to be just exactly what I just showed you, that HTML code. Come over here and grab this text box. You see that where it says text? And you're just going to hold the left-hand click, and you're going to drag it over here and drop it in right there, anywhere you want to put it. Then you're going to right-click, and you click paste. And see that? That is the image that we just put in there. Oops, sorry about that. That's something else I had cooking up in the background while I was doing this. So that's how that goes in there. And this one is, I had optimized this, put some alt tags in there and everything. It's not necessary to do that. You can make it shorter. So there's a lot of extra fluff in there that's really not necessary. It doesn't really matter for this. So all you're going to do is put a title in there. How to make big badass money online. I'm not going to leave this here anyway, so I'll just do that. So you got to make your headlines a little audacious and noticeable, and people will start noticing what you have. All right, here we go. All we got to do is hit save. So we got a nice title in there. We have the photo that will show up. I'm going to save it, and it is saved just like that. Reduce that. Now I have 3 different banners. They're all going to be basically the same, but I'm just doing this to show you. So we can go back to my site and look at it, and it will be right there, right where I put it. And it's big too. I like that. I really like that one better than the previous one. For some reason that showed up. I'll fix that later on. But you get the idea though. It's pretty easy to do. All it is copy and paste, follow the steps that I gave you in the last video, you'll be fine. Just make sure that you get the links right so when you click on it, it brings them exactly where you want it. You can create a bunch of these, as a matter of fact. If you put in a half dozen of these, I see a lot of people doing it, and you target people. Next one I put in, I'm going to put in just for single mothers that want to make money. And I have a special capture page they go to that appeals more to women, and it's kind of softer, gentler, and it appeals more to them. And that's going to be something that I think will produce some results for me if I just get the right people there. So anyway, my name is Clint Mackey with my blog is fearlessteamleader.com. My job, my mission, my entire goal in life is to leave you better than I found you. I hope I've done that today. If you learned something, give me some feedback on this. Let me know what you think about this. And visit my site, fearlessteamleader.com. Go check out my my opportunity, fastblogprofit.com. That's the Empower Network capture page. You'll enjoy it. I make money on it every single day, and you can too. Talk to you later. Thanks for stopping by.